Let's do bridesmaid hair. So I washed my hair with this Garnier Fructis. It was the only thing I could find while I was in Barbados that I trusted. Then I retwisted my hair with some Super Grow hair gel. I put my hair up in a ponytail. As you can see, nothing is really too tight. I don't like a lot of tension on my head, and if my hair is too tight, I'll be miserable. So in order to do the lock petals, I actually took 2 locks at a time and I looped them twice. And each time I looped them, I secured with a rubber band. So that's what I'm showing you here right now. If you find that you loop your locks once, and then for the second loop your locks are uneven in size, just take the ends of the 2 locks and combine them together. It doesn't matter if like the lock petals aren't the same size. Everything will kind of shape itself out once you're creating the bun. So now I'm showing you guys the back. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just looping twice, and yeah, that's all I really did. Then after I did this, I used some shine and spray just so that my hair could be nice and shiny for the event, for the wedding. And yeah, y'all, this came out so nice. I ended up putting some lock jewelry on it, and it just looked so beautiful. All the looks from the wedding were gorgeous, and I'm in love.